high pressure pump from 0 to 160 psi, 100% duty cycle, USB-C charging, auto stop, power bank. Yeah, that's one thing as well. It also works as a power bank, so you can charge your phone off it, etc. And it's got 4 preset modes. Included in the box is the Zephyr S3 air pump compressor, an air chuck user manual, high pressure tapered nozzle, inflator needle, and Schrader Presta valve adapter, USB A to C cable. Comes in this nice heavy duty carry case with reflecting logo back and front. Here we have the air compressor. It's nice and small. First impressions, it feels really good quality. I don't know if that's plastic or metal. I think it's plastic, but it looks metal. Rubber feet on the bottom so it doesn't slip. And the good thing about that, it doesn't scratch your new compressor. There's your attachments, nicely stuck on the back. That'll be handy for doing my bikes, my mountain bikes, the Compressor and Schrader adapter. There is your USB-C charging port. And there is your USB-A out for the power bank feature. We also have the user manual if you want to take a look at that. Warranty for 24 months, which is good. Scan the QR code. If it breaks, we will replace it. That's really good. Calibration certificate, that's good. So at least you're not wildly guessing, but it's been calibrated according to this. There is your adapter for your car tyre, for your Schrader. That will also fit. I actually prefer to use that because I've got one of them fittings on my current compressor for my car. Now what else do we have in here? And that's just your USB-A to USB-C lead. Nothing else in the bag. We just move this out of the way a second. Your on-off switch to increase or decrease the pressure. It also has a built-in light, units and modes. Would help if I switched it on. Right, it's on car. It's set default to 35 psi, which is perfect for me. Bicycle is 22. I will need it a lot higher than that because I normally run 30 psi in my mountain bikes and about 45 in my gravel bike. For inflating bowls, it's set to 8.5. But simple enough, just hold down the plus button. I'll take it, well, 36, that'll be okay. Also, you got units. It's on PSI now. kPa, bar, PSI. I'll leave it on PSI for my use. There is a nice convenient light. Brighter, flashing, and SOS Morse code, which is extremely useful if you're stuck and stranded in your vehicle. And then just simply press it again to knock it off. But yeah, build quality feels really good. It has come to me fully charged. This adapter will just screw straight on. I'll give it a test shortly because I'll pump my mountain bike wheel up with it, and also I'll get my spare car wheel so I can show you that, and we'll lessen pressure out. That's if you put a bit too much in, just press the side, release some pressure. But yeah, it feels really good quality. So we'll give it a good test shortly. There we go, shut off automatically, which is really good. Here we have my mountain bike, my free ride mountain bike. So I'm going to let a bit of air out now on the tyre and we'll give it a go. And the good thing with this bike, it's got shrouded on it, so it saves me using different adapters. I will release some pressure. Actually, I'm going to increase the pressure to 40 just for this test. 40 psi. Right, I've just released the pressure to 10 psi. We will time it and see how long it takes. That took 53 seconds, thereabouts. And as you've seen yourself then, automatically switches off, which is excellent. Right, let's give my spare car wheel a test. Right, we have my spare car wheel that I am going to check the tyre pressure on. The tyre pressure is only 22 psi in this. Make sure we change the mode to car because it was on bicycle from yesterday. Again, we'll time it with a stopwatch. It's on 22 psi, this spare car wheel. I'm going to set it to 35 psi, so let's see how long it takes. So it's taken 1 minute and 45 seconds to go from 22 psi to 35 psi, which in my opinion is pretty quick. So yeah, definitely a good little unit to have. So would I recommend this unit? Yes, it's not badly priced. I will leave a link in the description where you can get one. I think they're about £70 on Amazon. But when I did look the other day, there was an offer on and they were only 50 something pounds, so for that price it's an absolute steal. Excellent for keeping in your car, because most cars this day and age don't come with a spare wheel. They expect you to fix a flat on the side of the road with tyre sealant, so obviously you're going to need air from somewhere to pump the tyre back up. And this is far better than the compressor that I've got in my car, in my Honda Civic that came with the car when I bought it. This is a lot quicker, so definitely this is going to replace that being kept in the car. So yeah, for the price, quality is really good. Like I've said before, love the rubber feet so it doesn't scratch and move around when it's on. You've seen it being used and it's very effective. It doesn't take long to pump a car tyre or a mountain bike tyre. And with the other attachments that comes with it, you've got, you know, attachments for pumping up bowls, inflatable beds, etc. So I can see it being very useful for people. So yeah, I recommend it. If you liked the video, please leave a like, and if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, as I'm so close to getting 2,000 subscribers and would love to get that by Christmas with your help. Anyway, thanks for watching, and hopefully I will see you on the next video.